Are you a design or construction professional? The European research project BIM4EEB has developed a powerful BIM-based toolset for design and construction professionals, owners, and inhabitants along the building renovation journey. It saves up to 20% of time, 15% of cost, and 10% of energy. The renovation journey starts with a survey of the building. At this stage, the fast mapping toolkit speeds up the scan to BIM process and improves data visualization through augmented reality. For the design phase, the BIM4EEB team proposes 3 tools. The BIMeaser tool helps in selecting the right design options for the building's energy refurbishment. Auteras supports the design of room automation systems, enabling a more efficient use of the heating, cooling and lighting system. BIMcpd, the BIM constraints, performance and data tool, supports the design team in checking these 3 key areas of interest. In the construction phase, the BIMPlanner software enables weekly scheduling and tracking of the renovation activities on site. And the BIM4Occupants web application keeps residents and owners informed about the renovation, their indoor home conditions, comfort preferences, and energy consumption. This information is also useful during the in-use phase. To ensure renovation quality, it is important to understand how the building performs afterwards. Along the whole renovation journey, the BIM management system digital platform integrates the 6 tools, helping everyone work together efficiently and storing useful information for the building's life cycle. The tools have been validated at 3 demonstration sites: Italy, Poland, and Finland. Visit BIM4EEB website and discover BIM management system and tools for your renovation.